Debia any news update awodwa ekoso ewo ye mangana masei na ye require chika to I think say January February. Yeah, and I bet on months so say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama also officer oyi Chief Justice Torkono efiri on peno as Chief Justice ebi also in akonya so no for obi a openo ankasa emisi no already no answer na yaka say former president obeye sisia new president make up for a year John Dramani Mahama answer no obeye new president no odi kai ka say say so oba your penifo bi e was certain positions obeye omu nyina efro. So the first person was a IGP Dampari oba ya no yi IGP Dampari sisia ni pedro so a Chief Justice Torkono lawsuit 5 and against Chief Justice Torkono, sorry. Asam no yaka no organ has say but elsoka sisia akoko piemu or UK United States of America for and was no akoko too much, but it seems said that 5 lawsuits against Chief Justice Torkono still now unfound because the lawyers or the judges are or money no a compute about this particular case. It seems that only much about the honor a year into right now no a Syrian kwa and a Chief Justice Torkono ßreaks. Come on, you could see some new back answer no mess yourself by add your subscription to Odeneho TV, making sure so be like it, and then you add your comments in our comment section. Mr. Wemorefi. So we saw our videos to a whole lot of people. No, so we air console. We my Ghana Masisia. Yancha when you go to Masisia. Medasi.
Ye bisa se Chief Justice enkrata wo dia call down Supreme Court say omo injante 6-member committee ene hyehyemu a wo mo eye efa ne ho. Justices mienu a wo se omo ntumi entena committee no so enye hyehyemu enfa ne ho no. Ye misa se CJ owo case ana.
Many of our mention I'm sure chief for no helpful. Look, I feel the man who say petitioners no almost subject matter almost the dinner so a petition rulings be over rulings no was made by Justice Pwamang. It is a rulings in view of it was made by Justice Pwamang there. Then our conflict of interest, in a sense, as someone what can also pen, according to our rules, you are not allowed to sit on it again. And this there were ruling biba, not so ya appeal. Charge Nina and appeal Mumina, or Massa ruling, or not allowed to sit on it again. Now, from what I'm hearing, rulings now, Daniel Fori, what did not so the petition? Some rulings no were made by Justice Pwamang. Now, so we are what making rulings. Not ruling is subject of a petition. How then do you come and sit on it as a person who is going to determine whether there was a wrong done by the Chief Justice? That is what we call conflict of interest. It is a truth, as we are hearing it here, then Justice Pwamang should even do himself the honor of stepping aside himself. Now, the other one, Justice Asiedu, on involvement is as minimum as possible. And they say there was a panel at the Supreme Court. You set it up. Part of the case before the Supreme Court. Now, okay. It's the answer. Yeah, but as part of the committee, it is a what now seems to be 8 years then by law or by rule. He's not allowed to come back and be a person who is going to determine whether there's a case against the Chief Justice. It's straightforward stuff. Justice Pwamang should have himself declined, especially when the ruling concerned him. Now, Justice Asiedu one will be not so clear because it depends on the extent of his involvement. I know in itself. You see, not only must justice be done, it must also be seen to be done. We'll be a water ruling, and our making ruling. What are you determine whether there was a wrong done concerning your own ruling? No, it's a no. It's a non-starter. So that's how I see it.
Not just more what diaba. Any cases are justices. You might not so near diaba no. Chief Justice, a genuine case or just some Nakodan court no.
You see, in terms of looking at it objectively, I would say yes. But I say from rulings never no. From Supreme Court, it looks like the court itself is divided. Almost gang beer, they want to see the Chief Justice back. And the whole gang beer, they feel said no, this is not to happen. And to Supreme Court now, almost divided. We have panel now. Tanku, Tanku, acting CJ no, Bafu Boni, and Bako Kahoe, Unicolendi. I don't know because Unicolendi, my ruling, fantastic lawyer. But you can see that gangi. Or my imagine say they want to see, they will dismiss everything. It is depending on the panel that the Chief Justice will get. If he gets a panel, it doesn't concern these three individuals. Likely say the Chief Justice can win the case.
Okay, this is what share nano ya Center for Citizenship, Constitutional and Electoral Systems. Amo farile case ya injunction case bi koya na we expecting common fa ento Chief Justice suspension so na komeye na djuma ekwawi achi no there was a 4-1 majority decision omodi dismiss case no we the second time Chief Justices no dismiss such a petition ebimu insinuate say as a Supreme Court nankasa ne judge for no they want to see the CJ removed. So now so from where you are.
But you see, it's split. The 3-2. The acting CJ went with the 3 majority. One crowd here, everyone say, why is he sitting on matters? Concerning on one position. He is in even far more conflict of interest position. Anything. And they say, one no, yep, warm amenitino. One no benefit. On Nabatina Kunyanaso. It will interest. Say, for as long as the woman is allowed back, he's benefiting from being a CJ. It will should not be sitting on any of the cases. So the people who are going to be able to find when they want Nabatina Kunyanma benefiting. Also, come on, our ruling. Who rules about ruling Chama and now, how can you say that this one is objectively done? As I say, clearly, no. Our interest, or conflict of interest. As a Konuka step aside on his own. As a Konuka will be back. On one, I have an interest in the chair I'm sitting now. So people will even say, hey, my ruling is influenced by the fact that I'm a chief Akunyanaso. That in itself is enough for him to say no maintenance. Man panel, different group to go and look at it objectively. So that is the problem.
Yeah, but to be say and yes surprising say the year can Justice Bafoboni the Chief Justice ya suspended no on call hon say adentina mini ho na team na was sent na masem so petition na say injunction application with the the expectation is bianca hokra no obetati on but one can hwe ne je se bia omno munimum ra no na je se nkanye hwe.
No, they've raised it. The lawyers raised it. So potentially there's a conflict of interest. And so he still remained. So when you are benefiting clearly or benefiting, now he's now the acting Chief Justice. No one panel